Are you worried why your credit score keeps constantly dropping in points? Well, this is a video you do not want to miss, so stay tuned. What's going on, YouTube family? It's KJ and we are back with another banger, giving you the sauce on credit. If you're new to the channel, I want to extend a warm welcome and say thank you. I'm so glad to have you here. But today we're going to be talking about why it's not good to have too many credit builder accounts on your credit report. Okay, so you do not need a whole lot of credit builder accounts reporting to your credit report. Some examples are Self-Lender, Kickoff, Credit Strong. That's just to name a few. It's so many credit builder accounts that you can, sign up for and pay to monthly to report back to your credit report. But that's just a few of the more popular ones that I know people have. Some of y'all may have other ones reporting, and some of y'all may heard of other ones, but that's just to name a few. And those what I just named are more the, I would say, installment accounts. You have a certain amount that you pay monthly, but the same thing applies with credit builder, credit cards. You do not need a number of these reporting to your credit report on a monthly basis. It ends up hurting your credit. Y'all sign up for all of these credit builder, loans and credit cards, etc., thinking that you're actually helping your credit, when in reality, you're actually hurting your credit. Now, it is okay to get a couple of the credit builder, cards or the loan. I suggest you get one credit builder loan and you get one credit builder credit card. Now, when you go credit card, it doesn't even have to be, you don't have to type in credit builder credit cards. You can actually just get a secure credit card with like Navy Fed or Citibank or Discover. And then as you show that you are responsible with that card, they would then, make that secure credit card and turn it into an unsecured credit card. But the whole point of this video is just to let you all know you do not need a whole lot of credit builder accounts reporting to your credit report. I need all of you to stop thinking that immediately. Stop thinking just because you hear about this credit builder and you know that you need to build your credit, like it's in your mind. You need to build your credit. You know that you either have little to no credit and you trying to build it, or maybe you had credit and you had a bankruptcy and you need to rebuild it. But I need y'all to stop thinking you need to sign up for all of these credit builders to get things back, where they were, or to get things going, period. You do not need all of these credit builders reporting to your credit report. Y'all need to keep it very simple. For those rebuilding or starting out, I would say 2 to 3 builder accounts total. That's a combination of installment and credit card. I would say, either get one installment, 2 credit cards, or get 2 installments and 1 credit card. But you do not need 5, 6, 7, 8 builder accounts. Every builder account you hear about, you signing up for because you wanted to report to your credit. That's a big no. Do not do that. I would say for the more established credit people, get you 3 or 4 revolving accounts, credit cards. Build them up. Get you a 10K limit at least, so you can be qualified to get a high limit business swipe or a business credit card. And of course, have you a couple of installment accounts. Of course, if you have a mortgage, that'll be an installment account, and get you Navy Fed pledge loan. If y'all saw my last video, if you haven't, be sure to go watch that after this one. But it's important to have relationships with the bank. If you get you a Navy Fed pledge loan, not only, are you building a relationship with the bank, with the credit union, but you also have this loan reporting to your credit report, and that will soon open the door for you to be able to apply and get, an unsecured loan or, a unsecured credit card with Navy Fed. And last but not least, of course, have an auto loan. Now, if your car is paid off, hey, take that route too, because I don't have car payments either, so I can understand that. But you do want some type of installment account reporting on your credit profile. All lenders want to see is a good credit mix with great credit history. Is your report strong enough to get high limit funding? What are you asking for, and what can we give you, if anything? Do you have different type of accounts reporting, revolving installment, what's the total? Is it maxed out for your revolving? Are you using a little bit? Are you keeping up with your payments? How long have you been making payments? 3, 6 months, a year? They want to see good payment history, on time payments every single month. And that would determine if you get high limit funding or not. And with that being said, y'all need to have at least a 10K personal credit card reporting on your credit profile before you try to be a personal guarantor to a business credit card or any type of business funding. Not 10K report in total, like meaning you got 4 different cards and they all add up to 10K. Like, no, one card needs to at least have a 10K limit. That's the minimum. I would say that is the minimum. 10K minimum on a personal card before you try to personal guarantee any type of business fund. So y'all be trying to get activated and, try to personal guarantee on the business credit, with 1K limits or the $200, $300, $500 limits that you got with Synchrony Bank and all of that. And then you wonder why you get denied. You are not going to get approved for the 20 and 30K with comparable credit when you go out and you apply for this business funding. Don't make the credit game harder than what it is. Just don't do it. Patience is key. I know y'all be excited. Y'all want to get y'all business swipes. Y'all want to get y'all personal swipes. But I need y'all to be patient. First and foremost, you need to clean up your credit report. That's a process in itself. Clean up your credit report. You need to do that before applying for any type of funding, personal, business, whatever. Clean up your personal credit. And then you want to build your personal credit. Your personal credit should be well established and in a great spot before you do anything on the business side. See, a lot of y'all have poor personal credit and then you think you're going to just go out here and go crazy with the business. It don't work like that. Build your personal up. Like I said, get minimum 10K limit on one card, but have, a few different accounts, but at least have a 10K limit on one, then get that business fund. You can't just apply, and then you sit there and wonder, why did I get denied? Take the necessary time to build your credit. It is a process. It doesn't happen in a week. It doesn't happen in a month. It takes months. It takes, years to really establish your credit. The earlier you start and the better you manage, the earlier you start, the faster you will get to where you need to be. But anyways, man, I'm sorry, man. Y'all got me a little worked up over here because, man, I'm not gonna say I'm tired of seeing it, but man, it really it plucks a nerve because it's like, I want y'all to have established credit. I want y'all to have great credit because great credit opens up so many doors in the world. It's not just about business. It's about, it's families out here that need a home. It's people that's trying to get a home that can't get it. It's people that need cars to drive, they can't get them. It's people that are paying so much, and people that do get them, they're paying so much money, due to the high interest rate they got because of their poor credit. Like, what I would pay for a $500,000 crib, you're paying for a $150,000 house, all because of your credit. And your interest rate is so much higher, we're paying the same amount. But I got a $500,000 house and you got a $150,000 house. And it's, they're not in the, yours is in a worse off area than mine. And it's just like, you're paying just as much, if not more, all because of your credit. So that's why, it plucks a nerve. I just want to see y'all excel and do great because it's important to me. But hey man, I hope y'all found this video informative as well as entertaining. Be sure to drop any concerns or comments or questions that you may have down in the comment section below. If you need any assistance building your credit or even repairing your credit, visit our website linked in the description, also on the screen, www.dpjcreditsolutions.com. We would love to help you reach your credit and financial goals. Schedule a free consultation and we'll be happy to assist you. But once again, I'm KJ. And as always, stay blessed, spread love. Until next time, y'all take some action. Love.